You've probably added a watermark before, but have you ever made one that actually makes people stay and watch? In this video, I'll show you 3 watermark styles in InShot that do exactly that. Go to text and type your channel name. Then go to glow and do this. And export it. Export the watermark to the video you wanted. Go to cutout and cut it out. Then go to blend and choose overlay and fix it like you want. Or you could also use contrast. It's your choice. First, go to Overlay and select the video that we created earlier. Open the Blend option. From here, choose the Multiply mode. Once that's applied, export the video again. Next, delete the overlay clip from your timeline. After that, import the video you just exported. Now, instead of going to cutout, go straight to crop and adjust the frame to remove any unwanted areas. Once you're done cropping, head back to blend, and this time select the dodge effect.
Go to Overlay. Export the same video. Go to masking and do like I am doing.